So here we have a logarithmic equation. We need to find the value of x. So let's begin. What we'll do, we will use a property. That means if we have log of a with a base of b, that's the same as log of a divided by log of b, provided both of them have a base c. So we will rewrite each of the logarithm as log of 2 divided by log of e. So this is multiplied to log of 625. So we have log of 625 divided by log of x. That will be equals to log of 16 divided by log of 10 multiplied to log of 10 divided by log of e. So a few of the terms will cancel out. So log of 10 goes away. The log of e and log of e will go away. Now we will have log of 2 times log of 625. So 625 is 5 raised to the power of 4 all divided by log of x, and is equals to log of 16. So 16 is 2 raised to the power of 4. So this gives us log of 2 multiplied to, we will use a property. That means if we have log a times log of b, so that's equals to log of b raised to the power of a. We'll use this property to rewrite log of 5 raised to the power of 4 as 4 times log of 5. So we'll cross multiply log of x with the term on the right hand side. So we have log of x multiplied to, so we'll apply the property 4 times log of 2. So here log of 2 will cancel out, and this is going to, and the 4 is also going to get cancelled out. So that leaves us with log of x equals to log of 5. Now both of the logarithm has the same base. By default it will be 10. So that means we can equate them to get x equals to 5. So this is the solution for x.